This room is 2,000 square feet. So this is the entrance walking into the Athenee Hotel in Bangkok. Again, my favorite hotel to visit. Here's the lobby. Very grand, very nice. I think the hotel is about 20 years old. It's 7 in the morning, pretty quiet right now. Let's go take a look at the breakfast buffet. The breakfast buffet is my favorite. All right, so here's the breakfast buffet. Ooh, they got a new bread station. This used to be right over there, but they moved it over here. Ooh, the croissants look good. They got a whole fresh juice station. Make you whatever you want. Fresh squeezed juice, my favorite. Hello. This over here, what do we got? Looks like we got a Japanese section. Some sushi. We got some salad. And we got the meats and cheeses. And we got all the hot food over here. Oh wow, looks like we got a whole leg of lamb. That looks pretty good. All kinds of food over here, Indian. They just had a big Indian wedding the past couple days, so the hotel's been sold out, very busy. Good morning. Ooh, we got pancakes, French toast, waffles. They'll make you an omelet. They also have a whole menu that you can order from. What do we got over here? We got quick salmon. We got chicken bacon. Never seen chicken bacon before. We got a whole station. They'll make you whatever you want. And here's the menu that they'll make you to. And here's the rest of the dining room. All right, let's see how long it takes me to get to my hotel room. The lobby's not that busy. I'm on the 28th floor, so hopefully I'll have the elevator all to myself. Let's see. All right, guys, so I'm at the Athenee Hotel in Bangkok. This is probably the nicest hotel room I've ever been to. Come and check it out. This room is 2,000 square feet. It's got 2 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 living rooms, and it cost about $1,500 per night. This is the first desk where I can work. This is the second desk where I can work. Here's the master bedroom. It's got a whole sitting area inside the master bedroom. And behind me is the bathroom. It's got a huge tub. It's my first time in this room, so let's see what else it's got. It's got a big makeup area. Oh, it's got his and her sinks. There's one. There's the pooper. There's the second sink. And let's see the shower. Not too bad. All right, let's take a look at this bathtub again. This bathtub is pretty cool, pretty big. All right, so we already found 2 places to work. We got a living room Now, can you believe we got a dining room? I don't know what we need a dining room for, but we got a dining room for 10 people. So maybe I'll sit at the end and do my work, and who knows. All right, let's go check out the view. We're on the 28th floor, the Athenee Hotel in Bangkok. It's one of Marriott's top properties out here, 5-star. It's where I normally stay when I'm in Bangkok. I think it's the best value for your money. It's not cheap. It's about, $250, $300 a night. Now you're probably going to ask me, did you really spend $1,500 on this room for one night? The answer is no. I'll tell you in a minute. So right here we got the maid's quarters with a separate entrance. I can tell them, hey, 5:30, bring in my coffee, please. I'll take 2 cappuccinos, 1 hot, 1 ice. We've got water, microwave, sink. We've got a coffee machine. All right, and they already stocked us with water. Check out how many waters we got. I think we're good. We got 10 ice cold waters. All right, so let's go back in here and check out this dining room again. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I got a dining room for 10. All right, over here we got the powder room. So let's open it up. Let's see what we got. All right, there you go. Got some powder, toilet, sink, mirror, good to go. All right, over here, today it's somebody's birthday, so you saw the chocolate cake earlier. We got 2 beds in here, and we got the happy birthday celebration. All right, there we go. Little chair, and don't forget, we got another desk. So I got 4 places in this room where I can do my work on the Dippin' Dot ice cream business. Who knows where I'm going to work? But I'll be up at 6 a.m. working, I can tell you that. And we got a closet, place to put our luggage. And we got 1 more bathroom. So we got 2 full bathrooms. Nice shower. There I am. Hey, what's going on, guys? And we got a bathtub. So for this room, I had a free Marriott 1-night certificate worth 35,000 points. I used that for the basic room. I added 15,000 points on top of that, and I paid an additional $300 to upgrade to a regular 2-bedroom suite. Maybe 2 weeks before I was ready to check in, I contacted the hotel and asked them, hey, it would be amazing if I could get upgraded to one of your theme suites, because I know they're really exclusive, really expensive, and I would just, love to stay in one of these because I've never stayed in a hotel room this big, this nice, or cost $1,500 a night. So I paid $300 plus 15,000 Marriott points plus a 1-night certificate worth 35,000 points. So if you ask me, it's well worth it. Now, too bad we're only staying here for 1 night. Then we're off to Bali, and you'll see the next video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and we'll see you on the next video.